If you want to connect to AnyDesk without someone clicking accept every time, this video will show you exactly how to set up unattended access the right way. This is perfect if you need remote access to your home computer, office PC, or work laptop and want a faster, more convenient connection every time. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on the computer you want to access remotely. This is the device that will be left on and available for remote connections. Once AnyDesk is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon. From the menu, choose Settings. Now, inside the Settings panel, look at the left sidebar and click Security. If the security section is locked, click Unlock so you can make changes. This step is important because the unattended access settings are controlled from here. Next, scroll until you find the unattended access section. This is the feature that lets you connect without needing someone on the other side to manually accept the request. Click Set Password for unattended access, then enter a strong password that you can remember but others cannot guess. Re-enter the password to confirm it. This password is what you'll use when connecting from your second device, so make sure it's secure. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Once that's set, move down to Permission Profile. If you want full remote control, select Full Access. This gives you the ability to use the mouse, keyboard, and other controls on the remote computer. After that, click Apply or OK to save your changes. Now, the unattended access setup is almost complete. The next part is to connect from another device. Open AnyDesk on the second computer, laptop, or even another supported device. In the address field, enter the AnyDesk address of the computer you just configured. Then click Connect. At this point, instead of waiting for someone to manually approve the connection, AnyDesk will ask for the unattended access password you created earlier. Enter that password carefully and continue. If you want to make future logins even faster, you can also select Save Login Information. That way, you won't have to type the password every single time. Once the password is accepted, you should be connected directly without needing anyone to press accept on the remote device. That means you can manage files, help someone troubleshoot, or access your own computer from anywhere, as long as the system is powered on and reachable. One quick tip: if the connection still asks for permission, go back to the security settings on the host computer and double check that unattended access is enabled, the password is saved correctly, and the permission profile is set properly. Also make sure AnyDesk is allowed through your firewall and that the device stays online. And that's it. You now know how to connect to AnyDesk without accept by setting up unattended access the right way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.